In this video, we're going to show you how to install the taillight on your Toyota Camry located on the trunk lid. Now with the trunk lid open, you need to go ahead and remove this trunk lid insulator pad. It's going to be 13 of these plastic push pins holding it in place. We're going to use our trim tool. You want to get in there and pop out the center. When that center button pops, then the base will fall out. Repeat this process for the other 12. Now as we go to drop this down, you want to be careful of the emergency trunk lid release. Make sure you work that in and go ahead and pull this out, dropping it down. With the insulator pad gone, I want to go ahead and locate your taillight connector. There's a little pinch tab right here. You're going to pinch and disconnect that like so. With that disconnected, there's going to be 3 10mm nuts we need to remove. There's 1, 2, and 3. I'm simply going to use my deep 10mm socket and start to remove the hardware. Now we can go ahead and pull the trunk lid down. Go ahead and work that taillight out, removing it from the body. Now with the taillight removed, it's always a good time to go ahead and clean the body around the perimeter. Just give it a wipe down because it really never gets a chance to be cleaned. Go ahead and inspect everything, make sure it's rust free, you don't have any issues here. Now when installing the taillight assembly itself, you're going to have the mounting studs, and then there's a 4th alignment pin that goes up inside the trunk lid itself. Simply line it up, set it in. Let's go ahead and raise up the trunk lid and get the hardware installed. Now when I go ahead and install the hardware, you do want to be careful when tightening this down. You're simply holding a piece of plastic into the body itself, so you do not want to over tighten. Just gently snug them down. Going to get these two started. Go ahead and take that connector, line that up, insert it in, press it in. You can hear and feel it engage. Now if you need to, you can go ahead and repeat the same process for the passenger side. Go ahead and grab the insulator. Go ahead and push this over the hinge on both sides. Line up the emergency trunk release handle with the slot. Push this into position. I'm going to go ahead and get the center button pressed in first. What you might find easier to do is press those buttons out a little bit further. You can just take a little screwdriver or something, push up to the middle and push those buttons higher up. I'm just going to continue this process all the way around the perimeter until we're all secured. With our insulator pad installed, close the trunk and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.